Off-Leash Canine Training Hawaii, and this is Nova. He's a 1-year-old Husky, and he's with us for our famous 2-week board and train program. So Nova comes to us with some major leash pulling issues. He also doesn't come when he's called. He doesn't stay put when they sit him down, if he sits for them at all. He's just on his own program. So before the board and train, we actually did a couple of lessons just to help the owners out and, you know, get them to the point where they can at least walk him on the leash. So let's find out how stable he is in the commands that he was taught. Nova, come. Come. Nova, come. Nova, come. Come, come. Come here, buddy. Come. Come on, Nova. Come. Good. Good job. Come here. Come here. Nova, sit. Sit. Good boy. We got to sit down. Yes, we do. Down. Down. Nova, come here, buddy. Sit. Sit, sit. Sit. Nova, sit. Good. Okay. Good. Down, good boy. Let's see if you can heel. Nova, heel. Heel. Come on, buddy. Where are you going? Heel. 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 Nova, heel. Heel. All right, so clearly Nova is not really stable in any of the commands. So we are going to get him off-leash obedient. We're going to work on his nipping issues and any other unwanted behaviors that the owners mentioned. He's very mouthy, like I said. He jumps at, he actually puts his paws up on my car as we were on our way here. So jumps in and out of the car whenever he feels like it. So we are going to work on controlling these behaviors and getting him off-leash obedient. Can't wait to show you his progress in just 2 weeks. Aloha! Nova, sit. Nova, heel. She's like, I don't know what's going on here. Nova, come. Good boy. Yes, good boy. Nova, sit. Nova, come. Good boy, Nova. One, yep. Nova, sit. Go. Yeah, buddy. Good boy.
Sit. Good boy. Yep. Sit. Come on. Sit. 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 Right. Andrew Iman, it's my dog, Nova Iman. 2-week board training, off-leash canine training. I brought him because he has a mind of his own and doesn't like to listen to me. Can tell him to come, he will not come. A couple weeks before I brought him to the 2-week board training, he dug a hole under the fence and 3:30 in the morning, he was off doing his own thing. Couldn't find him. Eventually, I found him, and once I found him, he booked it straight across the street. Chased him for about half a mile. Eventually, I had to carry him home.
Chased him for about half a mile.
I didn't have no leash. Carried him home over my back for another mile. 2 weeks later, after the board training, seems like a totally different dog, and I'm just smiling. I can't stop smiling.